In regards to extreme weather events, the largest one that comes to mind for me was Hurricane Maria that hit Puerto Rico very hard. So, for example, as that hurricane came in, it lightened up by the time it hit Florida, but it was intensified when it hit Puerto Rico. Well, why is that significant? Puerto Rico happens to be a country that produces a large number of pharmaceuticals. A number of pharmaceutical manufacturers are there, including those for IV sterile products. So when that was hit, and the loss of electricity and power, and the impact on the people of Puerto Rico, it was disastrous for them, of course, but it was had an additional a rippled effect in regards to reducing the availability of IV drug products for the United States, as well as probably internationally as well.